Hi girls, Assalamualaikum. My name is Haran Naman. Welcome back to my channel. I do hijab tutorials, makeup tutorials, skincare and DIY. So if you're interested in this content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, which is right over here. And today's video is about this hijab look and another hijab look, which I forgot to take a picture of, but you will see in the video ahead. And basically I got this hijab from Hayadar, which is an Instagram account. I'll mention their ID over here. And this is basically chiffon. It's a fancy chiffon, best for Eid or fancy occasions and stuff. So if you guys want to see how I did this look and another look, then please keep on watching. Before we start the tutorial, I want to let you guys know that this eye look is posted on my YouTube in the makeup look section playlist, and also if you want to see the whole like foundation routine, it is on my Instagram, which is paints_brushes. So if you guys want to check that out, you can. Anyway, let's go.